Some other minor formula that you need to teach a student will be those involving percentage yield and percentage purity. Okay, so you should know that percentage yield is actual yield over theoretical yield times 100%. Okay, and percentage purity will be mass of pure sample over mass of impure sample times 100%. Okay. Next, we also learn about gas laws in quantitative chemistry. So the main equation that you're going to teach your students will be PV equals to nRT. Okay, it's very important to explain to them the units of each quantity in the equation. Okay, so the units, of course, temperature. Oh, this also. Temperature is in Kelvin. Okay, the value of R is given in the formula or in the data booklet, so no, students are not required to remember them. Okay, and N, as you know, is the number of moles, while P is pressure and volume. Okay, there are two combinations of units that you can use. If pressure is in kilopascal, okay, then your volume will be in dm cubed. Okay, if your pressure is in pascal, your volume is in meter cube. But if you're scared your students get confused or anything, then you just make them memorize one set of units. But in MCQ they may just use anything. So, well, depending, you see the ability of the students. And okay, they can also try to make the students rearrange the equations, this equation particularly. For example, they can try to relate this to molar mass, because this number of moles, remember, there are many ways of finding them. One of them is mass over molar mass, right? So if you change it that way, okay, and if you remember, if your students remember that your mass over volume is density, they can relate it to density. For example, and take M over V to one side, and then you get P mR over RT. Okay, this is one of the possible ways they can ask them. But normally, they'll just go to the relationship between just pressure, volume, and temperature. Okay. So the combination of them will be PV, P1, T1, V over T1 is equal to P2, V2 over T2. And there will be many questions regarding this. Okay, so you can just teach your students to use this equation.